Have you ever felt overwhelmed by parenting? Sometimes harsh parenting makes children more unruly, while too gentle parenting can cause them to lack discipline. This is where gentle parenting comes in as a solution. Gentle parenting is a parenting approach that focuses on positive relationships, empathy, and gentle guidance in educating children. Instead of using punishment or threats, parents who implement gentle parenting prioritize good communication, understanding children's emotions, and instilling discipline in a healthy way. But how does gentle parenting actually work? Is this method really effective? And most importantly, how to apply it in everyday life? To understand more, we will discuss from the definition, benefits, challenges, to how to practically apply it in parents' daily lives. What is gentle parenting? Gentle parenting is a parenting method based on respect, empathy, and clear boundaries. This approach emphasizes that children are not miniature adults who can immediately understand rules and consequences, but individuals who are still learning to manage their emotions. Key principles of gentle parenting, Juan. Empathy, understanding the child's feelings and providing emotional support. 2. Valuing the child as an individual, respecting the child's opinions, feelings, and needs. 3. Positive discipline, teaching the child about good behavior without physical punishment or threats. 4. Open communication, encouraging children to talk about their feelings without fear. This approach differs from authoritarian parenting, which relies on punishment to enforce discipline. In gentle parenting, the main goal is to build a healthy relationship between parents and children and help children develop strong social and emotional skills. Benefits of gentle parenting. Many studies have shown that children raised with a gentle parenting approach have better emotional intelligence, are able to manage stress better, and have more harmonious relationships with their parents. Some benefits of gentle parenting. Children are more confident and independent. Child's ability to manage emotions is better. The relationship between parents and children is closer. Children understand the concept of discipline more easily without fear. Reduces the chances of the child having behavioral problems or anxiety disorders in the future. A study from the American Psychological Association showed that children raised with a gentle parenting approach were better able to deal with conflict in a healthy way and better at regulating emotions compared to children who received authoritarian or permissive parenting. How to implement gentle parenting? Implementing gentle parenting requires patience and consistency, but it can be done gradually with the following steps. 1. Understand children's emotions. When your child is crying or angry, instead of telling them to be quiet, try to validate their feelings. Don't be a crybaby. I know you are sad because your toy is broken. It must have upset you. By acknowledging your child's emotions, they will feel understood and learn how to better manage their feelings. 2. Use positive discipline. Discipline in gentle parenting doesn't mean letting your children do whatever they want, but rather directing them in a good way. For example, if a child spills a drink, instead of scolding them, say, "Let's clean it up together. Next time, we can be more careful when drinking." This teaches children responsibility without fear of punishment. 3. Build good communication. Many children become unruly because they feel unheard. Make sure to always listen to them attentively. If your child is upset because they can't have candy before dinner, don't tell them no right away. Explain calmly. You can eat candy later after dinner to keep your stomach healthy. In this way, children learn to understand the reason behind the rules and not just obey them for fear of punishment. 4. Be a good example. Children learn by watching. If you want your child to grow up to be a patient and empathetic person, you must show them the same. For example, if you want your child not to yell when angry, show them how to speak calmly, even in stressful situations. Challenges in implementing gentle parenting. Although gentle parenting has many benefits, not all parents can implement it easily. One of the biggest challenges is controlling your own emotions. When a child throws a tantrum in a public place or refuses to follow the rules, the first instinct may be to yell or punish. However, gentle parenting teaches you to stay calm and find the best solution without using violence or threats. Some tips for dealing with this challenge. Take a deep breath before responding to the child. Give yourself time if you feel your emotions rising. Remember that the child is still learning and needs guidance, not punishment. Common mistakes in gentle parenting. Some parents often misunderstand and think that gentle parenting means never saying no to children. This is not true. Gentle parenting still sets boundaries, but it is done in a kinder way. For example, if your child wants to play when it's time for bed, you can say, "Now it's time to sleep, but tomorrow morning we can play again. What do you want to play tomorrow?" This way, children still understand the rules without feeling forced or ignored. Conclusion. Gentle parenting is not about letting children do whatever they want, but rather guiding them with patience, empathy, and good communication. By applying this principle, it is not only the child who benefits, but also the parents who will feel a closer and more harmonious relationship with their children. It doesn't need to be perfect right away. What matters is consistency and patience in implementing it. Every small step towards gentler parenting is an investment in a happier and more loving future for your children. Share your experience. Have you tried gentle parenting? How did it go? Write a comment or share this article with friends and family who need it.